Hi Sitejetters, in this video we'll be using the Evento template to explore image editing within Sitejet. To begin editing an image, simply double-click on it. The Edit Image panel will appear along the left, but you'll also see a toolbar over the selected image. The toolbar will first have an option to switch the source image. This pencil icon loads the site's Media Manager, where you can select another already uploaded image, or import an image through Upload or URL Import. The next icon will switch the toolbar into crop mode, which we'll discuss momentarily. 90% counterclockwise or clockwise rotation options are present. Additionally, there are filters for blur and grayscale. We can blur an image by clicking blur and adjusting the amount of diffusion. Grayscale works as a simple toggle, grayscale or color. The great thing about these filters is that Sitejet applies them server-side and transmits the already processed image to your site visitors. This decreases site load time by eliminating client-side CSS and JavaScript filters, which can bloat the site's code and cause loading delays. Now back to crop mode. Crop alters the toolbar and opens a host of image size and positioning options. The image's existing aspect ratio can be locked using the padlock icon, or you can toggle to a number of the web's most common aspect ratios, such as 16:9, 1:1, and more. The image rotation tools stay on the toolbar in crop mode, and zoom and positioning are added. At the bottom of the image, crop mode also presents a tool offering degree-by-degree rotations. Just left-click within the degree marker area and drag to rotate. Resize an image using the resize handles on the right or bottom border of the image, or in the bottom right corner. To center the image within the visible area, click the Center button, and left-click and drag the image within the viewable area to reposition in any other way. A 3x3 grid is minimally overlaid on the image for easily centering objects within an image or using the rule of 2/3. Zooming in and out can be accomplished with the zoom buttons, in and out, or using your mouse's scroll wheel. Finally, crop mode presents the option to either reset all changes with the eraser icon, or to confirm and accept changes with the checkmark. Let's edit the image again, however, and observe that when we rotated the image, the rotation amount in degrees was reported in a toolbar just below the image. Also shown is the image size required to display on the page, and on the right, the relative size in percentage of the display size to the original uploaded size. Just like image filters, Sitejet automatically sizes the image server-side and uses a global CDN to transmit only the resolution necessary for display, saving time for you building the site and time for the site's visitor in loading it. In the Edit Image panel on the left, there's a responsiveness toggle that will direct Sitejet to automatically load images when necessary that are optimized for Retina and other high DPI displays and smartphones. Finally, if you're really looking to accelerate page speed, you can toggle the Lazy Load option directly below the responsive setting. This will direct Sitejet to load images after the page, rather than concurrently with the page. It's important to note that the image toolbar we've been exploring appears for all images, whether standalone like we've been using, as a part of an image slider or gallery, or even as a section background. The toolbar will be virtually identical across all of these types of images, but tools that aren't relevant for a particular use case will be grayed out. For instance, cropping a section background. Instead, other relevant tooling may appear, like the orientation tool seen here for aligning a background image within a container. And that's it. The image editing tools are powerful, easy to use, and speed up your workflow drastically by eliminating the need to spend large amounts of time in Photoshop applying filters, making edits, or creating entire sets of responsive images. Until next time, have fun using Sitejet.